How do you have more subscribers than me?
Because I'm awesome.
No, because you gotta hang out with the Cletus. That's why you're awesome. No,
What?
That's why you're the best.
What?
You only have that many subscribers because you gotta hang out with Cletus.
That's true.
If you didn't hang out with Cletus, you'd have 1 subscriber.
No, I already had 200 and something. And I got 6,000 on my TikTok long before that. And my TikTok's private. I have to approve you to follow it. So if it was public, I'd probably have 50,000 followers on TikTok.
Why have I? Look at that.
When I knew your password, I used to always be going to new phone.
For real.
And looking at your
All right, we're done talking.
I got it from the grass from a flower.
Let me see it again. You caught it on a flower?
Yeah.
A bee?
Yeah.
Oh, you should probably let him go.
Why?
Because bees, they pollinate. They take the pollen they get from one flower, it goes to the next flower, and they keep all the plants alive.
And they make you honey.
Yep.
Okay.
And they have a home, you know?
Where?
Their beehive.
Oh.
I let him go.
What Madison?
Good girl. You can find other things. She's going to get her shoes, I think, from Mom's. We need to get the pressure washer and get rid of these mulberries. They're ridiculous.
Mulberries. Blueberries. Those aren't mulberries.
What are they? What are they?
Not mulberries.
What are they?
Blackberries.
No, they're not. Blackberries grow on a vine.
Oh, they don't.
Yeah, they do. Man, you need to quit talking. You're on live
You
on
just said they were
YouTube.
mulberries.
That's what they are.
Where's your camera?
God, dog, there goes the brand new phone.
Dang.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
I swear to God, bro.
Are you fucking serious?
I swear to God, I got fucking...
Dude, you look good.
Bro, I went organic, dude.
What's up
This
with
is
it?
my refrigeration technician,
Damn
Brendan.
straight. Damn straight.
He's the man. He's the man. Yeah, no, man, I just went organic, dude.
Shut the fuck
Real
up.
shit. I got a little eye infection today, folks. Yeah, no, I went organic, dude. Watch, you'll see him. Oh, yeah, we have to take jet skis out this week, bro.
Yeah.
All right, come on.
Let's go.
$1 for 4 cars, truck, trailer, pit box, golf cart, tools.
You'll get the money back from fucking shirt.
You know I can drive.
I know you can't, motherfucker.
I know.
Enough to drive.
I know, that's why I want to do it. But then I put all this money in this stupid Corvette. I don't even like drag racing, man. I always had a theory, man. I don't want a fraction of a mile. I don't want an eighth mile or a quarter mile. I want all the miles. You know what I mean? My brother's the drag racer.
Yeah, your brother's a drag racer. You're the fucking...
I like to turn.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't hit very much stuff, you know. I did ball up that Corvette, but... Or the Camaro, not the Corvette. Don't get it, dude. They don't get it. Like, they've known the ups and downs. They only see what they've seen for the last couple months. They have no idea. Guys like you know. So all my friends, they're like, oh no, what's happened? They don't even know what, even my mom first time, she's like, they have no idea what they just did. And I was like, yeah, bro, because I'm about it, dude. And then my friend Melanie, she sent me a snap yesterday. She's like, I still have the video of you in my new underwear video. I was like, oh my God, I should have listened to you 20 years ago when you told me to start
Yeah.
She told me like 20 years ago, get a YouTube channel. And I was like, nah, man, thank God I didn't. I'd be in prison for life.
Yeah, that ain't no shit.
Anyway, Brendan Flores over here. This dude just, my old refrigeration technician.
Got that motherfucker up.
About 10 minutes, man. Kids are going to be comfortable. So if you guys need anything in the greater Wichita area, I'd say, where do you go, like 80 miles out? What?
Yeah.
You holler at me, and I'll put you in touch with him. Well, actually, you know what we're going to do? We're going to get him a website made this week. Stand by. I'm making this young man a website, and when you need to call him and get your refrigeration done, you call him. It'll be done. This is what we do for our friends. This is how we treat our friends.
This is how we do it.
That's right.
On a Sunday.
On a Sunday.
On a Sunday.
Bright and early. I text the boy. And how long did I owe you money for the last job you did?
Was it $300?
Yeah, but it was like a year, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And he never bothered me and stuff. Why? Because he knew when I hit him up, I'd hit him up. They
And he
were
always
friends like
pulls
that.
through. Daddy always pulls through.
Always
That's
pulls
what I
through.
say that. That motherfucker always pulls through.
I will get it done. It's going to take a while. And you're probably not going to like how I do it, but it will get done.
It'll get done.
I don't know either way. Brendan's building a new house.
Yeah, I'm trying to.
So
In the process of it.
maybe on his website we'll do some videos of his new house.
Close the land on Wednesday, and then start the build. So
All right, let's do it. Let's get some videos of it, man. That'll be fun. Y'all like to watch stuff get built. And I guess I'll take my big, fat, hairy ass back to work so y'all can see some truck repair videos. Even though I really hate working and I really would rather see these guys do it. And it helps them make more money, but I'm going to give the people what they want.
God damn it. In person.
That's right. It'll get done. Y'all have a good Sunday.